Framer or Universe? Both promise to make website creation effortless, but which one really delivers? On one side, we have Framer, the design tool gone full no-code website builder. On the other, Universe, the grid-based creator aiming to put websites in your pocket. We're testing them head-to-head in what matters: speed, creative freedom, mobile experience, pricing, user-friendliness, and more. Forget the marketing hype. We'll show you how they actually perform for real users. Every category wins points, and by the end, you'll see which builder truly comes out on top. And trust me, the final verdict might surprise you. Let's which one really delivers. Okay, just so you know what we're comparing, here's the mind map of all the things we're going to look at: price, performance, platform and flexibility, design control, and finally, community and ecosystem. Alright, let's get into it. Starting with price though, Framer does have a free plan, which is nice if you just want to dip your toes in, or maybe you're just testing things out. But you want all the pro features? Yeah, that'll cost you. Honestly, if you're a solo creator, that price tag can sting a bit. Now, Universe, super approachable in terms of entry cost, like you don't have to shell out much to get started, and there are flexible monthly plans too. The catch? Add-ons can slowly sneak up on you and make it a bit pricier than you expected. Still though, if I had to pick, Universe definitely takes the win here. Next up, performance. Okay, Framer absolutely flies when it comes to prototyping. Like, the instant previews and that advanced speed, it's honestly wild. The only thing is, there is a learning curve, especially if you want to master all that power. Universe, on the other hand, is actually really solid if you're keeping your site simple or you just want something up fast. But when you start piling on complexity, it doesn't quite keep up with Framer. So yeah, Framer totally wins this round. Alright, platform and flexibility. Framer runs right out of your web browser, so you can pretty much work anywhere. Plus, it has a Figma plugin and even lets you export to React Cool, right? The only downer is there's no dedicated mobile app, which can be kind of a letdown if you're always on your phone. Now, Universe really leans into the mobile thing. You can literally build your whole site from your phone with the app, which is impressive, although it's a bit more iOS focused. Their desktop editor isn't quite as powerful as the mobile one though, so kind of a trade-off? Honestly, both do a good job here, just in their own way, so I'm calling it a tie. Oh, and here's something cool I found. Did you know Universe actually started out as an iPhone app, and it was built entirely on the phone? Like, no desktop required at all. That's pretty wild for a website builder. If you're all about design control, Framer is the dream. I mean, you get pixel-level control, you can add in animation and all sorts of interactivity. But fair warning, it does require a bit of design know-how. Universe takes it in a totally different direction. It's really template-driven and all about drag and drop, so if you want quick and easy, it's awesome. But you can't go super deep with customization. Bottom line, if you want the most creative freedom, Framer takes this one easily. Let's talk about community and ecosystem. For Framer, it's honestly impressive. There's just a huge community of designers and developers, and the amount of tutorials and resources out there is wild. That means tons of support, but yeah, the bar is also set higher by the community. Universe? It's got a growing base, especially among mobile creators, but the extras like plugins and integrations are just not quite there yet. So this one's clearly in Framer's corner. If we pull up the radar chart, it is super clear. Framer's dominating in performance, design, and community, while Universe stands strong where it counts for price and mobile flexibility. So, wrapping it up, if you're a pro designer or developer and you want to create actually interactive prototypes with way more control, Framer is 100% the move. But if you're someone who just wants to quickly set up a site from your phone, like maybe you're launching something on the go or you just want zero friction, Universe makes so much sense. Really depends on what kind of creator you are. If you found this helpful, hit that follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next one.